Hey guys, today I'm going to go over combinations and permutations. First, this stuff has to do with factorials, and I'm just going to show you what factorial means. So, this quick example will show you what it means. 4 factorial is equal to 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. So now you should know what factorial means. Something interesting is that 0 factorial equals 1. So just remember that. There's a proof for it, but it's pretty long, I think. So now, combinations. If you have a combination, then you have a number of things, and you choose a number of things and the order in which you choose those things is irrelevant. So let's say you have 5 people, and you choose 3 of them. So the number of different ways in which you can choose 3 people out of those 5, where order is irrelevant, is notated by this. This is number of people 5, number of people you choose 3. And that value, so the number of different ways in which you can choose 3 people, is equal to n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. This is equal to 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial. And because this bottom number is r, this top number is n. So just remember that. And r. Boom. And 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial, same as 4 times 5 over 2. That's 10. So there's 10 different ways in which you can choose 3 people out of 5 when order does not matter. But for permutations, order does matter. So it's just like combinations, except that you do have to take it into account the different order in which you pick them. So, and the formula for that, and choose P. Never mind. It's what the heck? And choose R. Oh yeah, it's just NPR. That's the number of different, it's the same as NR here. That's the number of things that you can choose from. This is an amount of things that you choose. My camera is really not focused right now, but now it works. And that's just equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. So the only difference is that in combinations, you also divide it by r factorial. Here, you only divided by n minus r factorial. So you can actually do combinations and permutations in the calculator instead of having to solve these things. So if you've got a paper 2 question, and you have those, just do it in the calculator instead. It's way faster. Oh yeah, and any tip? If it's anything like for combinations, anything choose 0. So let's say 5 to 0, that's always 1. Anything like choose itself is also 1. Because there's only one way you can choose 0. There's only one way you can choose all 5 of them if you have 5. That actually says 5 choose 5. That's 5 choose 0. But you can't really see it right now. Anyways, yeah, you can do it in the calculator. Look up how to do it on YouTube. And that's it for today, guys. Bye.